Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Invest in Yourself. Now let's see what's the profit and loss of my strangle that I have taken on Tuesday of next week expiry. Okay, I mean next week expiry on the in the sense that is 8th July weekly expiry contract. Okay, now let's see how I have raised raised money for trading. Okay, I will show you how I have funded myself for the trading purpose. Okay, I have pledged the gold. I have two gold chains, thinner one, not bigger. They are very thin, and I have pledged both of them, and I have got almost like 70,000. As you can see here, my name's Govardhan, and my Bank of Baroda account, from the Bank of Baroda account. Okay, from I have raised almost 70,000. Okay, now I will show you where I have invested that 70,000. Okay, let's go to report and let's go to ledger of 2021 and let's click on go. Okay, now let's view all transactions. There will be only one. Okay, see, I have deposited 70,000 and I have invested 35,000 in bank Bs and 35,000 in liquid Bs. Okay, and the extra cash you are seeing here, right, that is 6,000 and 10,000, almost like 17,000, right, 16,700, 17,000. It's a round figure of 17,000. It's my savings. I mean, I have saved my pocket money during my college days, and I have deposited it here. So totally I have, the total cash margin, I can say the total money I have is almost 87,000, but after pledging I have got like 62,000 for pledging and 17,000. So if you round up, it is around 80,000. Okay, and that is where the funds I have raised. I mean, not raised it, but I have pledged and taken the money for trading. And then let's show me the profit. Actually, I have squared up all the positions that I have taken on Tuesday. As you can see, there is only, I mean, 4 positions, as you can see here, the closer thing. Okay, as the it will be not clearer here. I will show you in the Opstra account. Okay, it may be virtual account, but I have entered every, each and price, everything, as I have taken in the angel broking account. Okay, now let's see what's the profit here. Yeah, as you can see, 4,400. It's not 4,400 in real time, with slippages I think it's 4,150 rupees. After the brokerage it may be around 3,700. I have booked 3,700 for holding of almost 4 days, and with a capital of 80,000, we have got almost 5% return in 4 days. Yeah, it's a decent return actually. Okay, then let me show you my, I have shown you the ledger, right, and let me show you the profit and loss statement, exchange, future and options, financial year 2021, and let's go. And here it shows as 8,500. Actually it's not 8,500. I have taken another trade. I will show you that also. Wait a minute. I have taken another trade. I will show you. I will show you in within 5 minutes. Okay, I have taken the another trade. So the premium I have received is almost like 4,500 rupees for the next trade. If you remove that, the profit will be around 4,000 after all the brokerage and taxes. Okay, now let me show you the positions I am carrying. Okay, these are all the positions that I have been carrying for the next week. I have squared up my past positions and created new positions. Okay, and I will update this position also on the YouTube channel, so keep subscribed so that you won't miss any video from our side. Okay, so this is, guys, I think I have given some knowledge, I mean, to how to do strangles and how to make profit I mean regular income. Actually we may lose in strangles when there is a big gap ups and gap downs. In intraday moves we can adjust, and with the straddle we keep stop loss, right? If the stop loss hits we need to exit, or else we will be in a huge troubles, because adjusting of straddles is very tough. Actually strangles we can adjust, but adjusting straddles is very toughest in the in the options series. The straddles are the most toughest to adjust. Okay, this is how I taken the trade. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.